In this video, we will demonstrate how to cost-effectively and efficiently protect your BlackBerry messaging infrastructure. During the demonstration, we will protect a BlackBerry Enterprise Server for Exchange environment and then recover from a service failure in minutes. Our demo environment consists of a set of servers, including a primary BlackBerry Enterprise Server, or BES for short, and a Replay server. In this demo, the BES standby environment is created and maintained by Replay as a virtual machine, but you can also protect your BlackBerry environment using physical machines. The first step is to add a server to protect. Click on Add Server and specify the server's name. In this case, we will be adding a BlackBerry server. Next, select the disk on which to store the recovery points. The default settings protect the entire machine, including the OS, all the supporting applications, BES and SQL Server, and the application data. Click Add and you are ready to begin protecting your BlackBerry Enterprise Server. The volumes on the BES server are enumerated and presented as a protected server. You will notice all of the volumes are listed. Replay will initiate a stateful snapshot of the protected server and create a recovery point. The initial scan captures the entire machine's environment and therefore will take more time than the subsequent incremental images. These subsequent snapshots only capture the changed blocks, so they complete very quickly, and each incremental snapshot is also a recovery point. Now, let's set up the standby environment. Replay's virtual capabilities continuously deliver updated virtual machines for disaster recovery and high availability. The P2V functions are performed automatically. Let's configure the recovery features of Replay and demonstrate how easy it is to restore your BES services to a virtual standby environment. First, select Advanced and click on the Virtual HA tab. Open the Virtual HA tab. Now, let's select a location to store the virtual machines. In this example, I will place the virtual machines on a network share. Click Save. Replay will replay the recovery point into a virtual standby machine. The initial pass will take some time to complete since it's a copy of the entire BlackBerry server. Once completed, Replay continuously updates the machine with the changed blocks very quickly. Now, let's fail over the BlackBerry. Replay supports VMware Server, VMware Workstation, and VMware ESX Server environments, so take your pick. Hyper-V support will be released later in the year. First, let's install the free VMware Player on my host machine. You can download a copy from the VMware website. Now, let's open the standby machine. I will now stop the original BlackBerry server, simulating a failure, and then power on the standby machine. You will notice that the Replay server has lost connection to the primary BlackBerry server. Let's power on the standby server. Now let's check the BlackBerry Management Console to ensure that the service is up and running within the standby server. See how the BlackBerry service is now restored. The standby server is an exact image stateful copy of the original, down to the IP, so no configuration changes are required. All patches and driver changes and network information is automatically updated in the recovery point, meaning you only need to manage the production server, and Replay keeps your recovery server in sync automatically. Now let's go return to the Replay server. The standby server has been detected by the Replay server and is online. Snapshots will be taken of the standby and is now protected as your production server. You can then use the recovery points from the standby server to recover the primary server when the primary server is ready to take over again. That's how easy it is to implement a reliable and robust disaster recovery and high availability environment for your mission-critical applications. Replay enables the recovery of the failed BlackBerry server while the standby is servicing the users. This can be performed by rolling back the original server to the latest recovery point within just a few clicks. So as you can see, Replay recovers the BlackBerry service quickly and affordably with its standby capabilities, delivering an RTO and RPO of minutes. We demonstrated only one example of the many possible accelerated recovery scenarios supported by Replay. Want to see for yourself? Simply visit www.appassure.com and download your free and fully functional trial of Replay, including free e-support, or contact us at sales@appassure.com or call 1-703-307-4963 for more information.